You sit down at your computer, go to play a video, and realize there is absolutely no sound. When you hover your mouse over the speaker icon on your taskbar, you see a red X and a frustrating error message: no audio output device is installed. The problem usually goes deeper than a simple mute button. If you open your Windows Device Manager to investigate, you will likely find that the entire sound, video, and game controllers category has completely vanished from the hardware list. We are going to fix this together using a 3-step escalating roadmap. First, we will uncover ghost devices that Windows has hidden. If that fails, we will force a driver override. And if your system is completely unresponsive to those steps, we will manually rebuild the hardware registry path from scratch. Your physical speakers are likely fine. This is a system configuration error. Everything you need to resolve it is already built directly into Windows, so you do not need to download any sketchy third-party software to get your sound back. Step 1. Right-click the Start button on your Windows taskbar and select Device Manager from the menu that pops up. Once that window opens, look at the top menu bar. Click the View tab, and from that drop-down list, select Show Hidden Devices. Keep an eye on your hardware list. If the missing sound, video, and game controllers category suddenly appears, expand it. Right-click your specific audio device inside that list and click Enable. Alternatively, if your device is already enabled but has a yellow warning icon next to it, right-click the device and select Scan for hardware changes. Major Windows updates frequently orphan devices during routine patching, temporarily dropping them from the active hardware list. By exposing these hidden ghost devices, you force the operating system to re-engage with the hardware that is already plugged in. If your audio device is visible in the list, but the sound still isn't working, your current manufacturer driver is actively failing. We need to overwrite it. Here in the Device Manager, look for your specific audio device, like speakers, under the Audio Inputs and Outputs dropdown. Right-click it and select Update Driver. Windows will ask how you want to search for drivers. Skip the automatic search option. Instead, click the button that says Browse my computer for drivers. On the next screen, look near the bottom and click Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. Make sure the Show Compatible Hardware box is checked. In the model list, select a standard driver, such as Generic Software Device or High Definition Audio Device, and click Next. Manufacturer-specific drivers from companies like Realtek or Intel can break or become incompatible during system updates. Reverting to a stable, generic Microsoft driver completely bypasses the manufacturer's bug and restores basic functionality. Now for the final fallback. If the sound category is completely invisible in your device manager, no matter what you do, we have to rebuild it manually. Look at the very top of your hardware list. You must click your specific computer name right here to highlight it. If you skip this step, the specific menu options we need will remain grayed out. With your computer name highlighted, click the Action menu at the top of the window and select Add Legacy Hardware. This opens the Add Hardware wizard. Click Next. The wizard will ask if you want it to search automatically. Ignore that, and ignore the text mentioning an installation CD. Select the Advanced option to install the hardware that I manually select from a list, and hit Next. Scroll down through the common hardware types, select Sound, Video, and Game Controllers, and proceed to the next screen. You will see a list of manufacturers. If you know your exact audio brand, select it. If you don't, select Generic USB Audio from the manufacturer list on the left, and choose USB Audio OEM device on the right. Click Next and then Finish. Completing this wizard bypasses the standard plug-and-play detection protocols that have failed you. It forcefully writes the necessary paths directly into the Windows registry, manually resurrecting the audio pipeline. Your device manager will now refresh. The Sound, Video, and Game Controllers category is back, permanently restored and expanded in your hardware tree. Look down at your taskbar. That stubborn red X on the speaker icon has finally vanished. Click your volume icon and adjust the slider. You will hear the familiar Windows system ding confirming that your output is active. The communication bridge between your operating system and your physical speakers has been completely re-established. Drop a comment below letting me know which step and which manufacturer driver finally worked for your machine, so we can help out the next person facing this error.